everybody, it's me, Nikki. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey everybody, it's me, JoJo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am sitting down to do a JOJO Siwa makeup tutorial. Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. Welcome back to another day / episode of Halloween. During Halloween, I'll be uploading a Halloween themed video for 7 days straight every single day. And today we have landed upon the marketing genius that we call JOJO Siwa. Today I was like, let's take a little bit of a break from all the horror, from all the gore, from all the scariness and all the hauntingness. Today I wanted something bright, funny, and colorful, and I landed upon JOJO Siwa for the longest time. In my comments here on YouTube, on Instagram, pretty much everywhere, on Twitter, I get the comment, it either says, oh my God, you look like you could be JoJo's sister. And the other comment I get is, oh my God, you look like JOJO Siwa when she grows up and starts a makeup channel. So first of all, I wanna say thank you because JoJo is a genius. Like that girl is 15 years old and has made a lot of moves, and that girl can be really, really proud of herself. After getting all those comments saying that I look like her or I could be related to her, I thought it was really fun for today's Halloween video to just sit down, have fun with a lot of color. I even bought my JOJO Siwa bow for in my hair. Isn't that amazing? So we'll get to that later. But for today's video, I'm sitting down and transforming myself, hopefully, into JOJO Siwa. I hope you enjoy. All right, guys, so let's transform into JOJO Tutorials. I am not wearing a stitch of makeup, just moisturizer, so it's time to go in. And JoJo actually has done a makeup tutorial recently where she showcased how she does her heart eye makeup for her tour. This girl has knowledge, okay? Like I watched the video and I was so intrigued because this girl is touring and she does her own makeup, her own hair, I believe her own outfit because she pretty much created all her own clothes. She does it all herself every single day. You know, she's on stage every single day. And for a 15-year-old girl, yes. So I watched the video and JoJo goes straight into foundation. So I'm over here like, girl, how do you go on stage every single day and you're not believing in the primers? Not to prime is a crime, thank you. So of course, I have to prime before I apply any foundation, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Mattifying Primer. This one has been, like, there's a good dent in here already. Yeah. Oh, that went totally, oh my God, that looks like someone did something to my tablet. JoJo, I don't think you're ever gonna watch this, but if you are, primer will save you from all the sweat while you're dancing. I saw you talking about that. I'm just your internet big sister helping you out here, girl. So I'm watching this video and Miss Thing is busting out the Giorgio Armani foundation. I'm like, okay, girl, I'll see what you're doing over there. JoJo Siwa used the Giorgio Armani foundation, so I'm using a Giorgio Armani foundation. All right, let's go to town. JoJo's foundation didn't look this full coverage. Also, the cutest thing, JoJo calls her little breakouts bug bites, like little bed bug bites. Isn't that the cutest? That's kind of scary. Bed bugs scare me. To conceal, I'm going in with the brand new Shade Sticks by Juvia's Place. I am so excited about these. Oh my God. Oh my God. So I'm gonna use this as a base underneath my eye to get rid of my dark circles. So before I'm gonna work this in, I wanna let you know that the powder that JoJo uses to set her entire face is by Laura Mercier. And you're like, oh my God, isn't that the little pot that you just used for the under eyes? This is the Secret Brightening Powder for, well, it's the Secret Brightening Powder. And usually this is just used for under the eyes. And in that video, she's like, I sweat so much from dancing on stage that I use this on my entire face because it's so hardcore. So today we gonna be matte. I don't know what is going on with my hairline exactly. I tried filling it in with shadows and now it looks like trash. So we're gonna have to live with that. It's Halloween. Ooh, how pretty is that under eye look? Oh, look at that. Yes, Juvia's come through. Oh, JoJo. That is pretty on the skin. Oh, she might have just did something. I'm trying to blend out my hairline like, ah. All right, so I'm gonna get myself a little bit prepared and do the first eye off camera so I can tell you exactly what to do for the tutorial portion of this video. So I'll be right back. All right, so I went for a way straighter and softer looking brow, and I didn't even cut out the bottom, and that is something that I always do. So a little applause for me for actually trying here, okay? JoJo's favorite color, as she self says, is rainbow. So of course I had to do a quick rainbow makeup look. Now, of course, it is totally up to you how far you wanna take this, but if you're, let's say a drag queen, you can take this out even further at rhinestones. Like, it's all about the rainbow feel, and this is the rainbow feel that I wanted to go for today. Now, without a doubt, to make all these matte, bright rainbow shades work, you need a primer that acts like a magnet. And for me, that is the P. Louise base, and I'm using a lighter color because think of it as putting bright colors on like white paper. It just pops more, so the lighter the base, the more it will pop. So I'm going in with 0.5. So basically what we're doing is taking bright matte shadows and packing them on and kind of blending the edges in between, and that's it. First, I'm gonna go into the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking the bright yellow called Wow. And definitely don't be afraid to take it all the way to that inner corner here if you're deciding to follow my look. But then again, you're the queen of your own rainbow. Create the rainbow look that you feel comfortable with. Now I'm going in with the Be Perfect Cosmetics Stacey Marie Extra Large Pro eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking that bright as orange called Lit. And you guessed it, we're stamping that on right next to the yellow. That color is absolute insanity. And the magic is to pat the color on, so like up and down, like kind of like putting it down there, like da-da, da-da, da-da. And this will keep the maximum pigment of the shadow. And then to blend the edges in between the yellow and the orange, all you kind of do is kind of like tap at the line, at the harsh edge, and it will kind of do the work for you. Like, see, that's blended. Time for some pink. I'm taking the color Funky and a little bit of Pep Talk right next to it. Just stamp it on, up and down. I know this is crazy right now, but you'll be good in the end, baby. And from that same palette, I'm grabbing the purple, and that is going on the outer corner. The purple's gonna look really crazy until you start blending it out, so just beware. All right, now to blend this harsh edge, what I'm doing is picking up the tiniest feather of the color that was applied in that area, and just right above that harsh edge, with the slightest amount of pressure, I kind of apply soft circular motions, and that will sort of fade out the harshness. Hello, JOJO Siwa! Hi.
Hi, boo.
Hi, boo. Now for the bottom, I'm going in with a dark bright blue, then the neon pink, and the almost neon orange. All right, that is where I kind of want to take this rainbow shadow look. There's more to come, but for now, let's put on some lashes. I'm not putting any mascara on my lower lashes because I feel like that makes it a bit more young and fresh. So I'm gonna pop these lashes on. These are Queen Bee by Coco Lashes, and I will be right back. Eyes are done, and now it's time for the cheeks, and we're not done with the rainbow just yet, but before we get into that, what I wanna do is contour and make my nose and like my cheeks look a little bit more like hers. I don't know how, but I'm gonna try. So today I'm dipping into this. Oh my God, Nikita Dragon, I am touching your lips right now. I am going in with the Dragon Beauty Face Pressed Powder Palette, and it looks like this. And I was watching that video, and JoJo loves herself some bronzer, so I'm gonna use the color Femme to bronze up a little. Okay, let's contour that nose. So she has a very cute, like tipped up, like tipsy, like a tip nose, like an upward tip nose. So I'm gonna try my hardest to replicate. Time for blush, and for blush I'm using the same face palette by Dragon Beauty. I'm gonna mix T-Girl and BB Girl. And well, since I have to do highlight and the palette also has highlights, I am going to apply probably a mixture again of the two. Ooh, that's pretty. And then now, after all the contouring, all the shading, it is time for the rainbow on the cheek. And basically, I see a big stripe of blue, above a green, yellow, orange, under the blue, purple, and pink, just faded out, washed out, just kind of like a rainbow cloud, doused with glitter on top. This girl is my soulmate. I'm just gonna be dipping into the palettes that we use for the eyes too, and kind of take the matching colors and create a rainbow, baby. Does JoJo have a name for her fan base? Is it JoJo's? Joas? C-Jo's? Right. Little rainbow on the cheek, never hurt nobody. Blue is just kind of like chilling right here. Blue. All right, above that, yellow. And you want to stay like on the temple. Oh, and look what happens when the colors touch. Green appears. It's makeup magic. Next up is orange. Still staying on my temple. I'm just gonna blend it into the eye look a bit more. And then from there, pink. And we're actually like really buffing out that pink. Under the blue comes purple. Ooh, purple's like acting as our contour color. Nice. And closing off with pink again. The makeup artist in me was like, oh my God, now you should do like a multicolored highlighter to highlight it. But then I figured out, oh my God, we're slapping 7 tons of glitter on top of this, and I'm gonna be finding glitter in my hair, my face, and my room for the rest of the year. The glitter I'm gonna be using, and to make it myself as easy as possible, is a glitter paste. This is Space Jam by Lemonhead Los Angeles. So this is the color Midnight Society. And I'm just gonna be dipping my brush in and then just stamping it on top for some fun. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh my God, yes. Oh, I regret nothing. Oh my God. Oh my God. Move on over Northwest, Kim Kardashian's baby, because I am now JoJo's biggest fan. Oh my God, that is epic. My lips are quite a lot bigger than JoJo, so it's time for me to completely blank them out and then draw a smaller new shape. And drawing in my new lip using a liquid lipstick by Jeffree Star in the color Strawberry Crush. And that, guys, is my JoJo Siwa makeup tutorial for Halloween. Okay, let me calm it down. And there we have it, guys, my JoJo Siwa makeup tutorial for Halloween, or for whenever you just want to channel your inner JoJo and feel like a teen queen. Without any further ado, let's go on to today's Dutch word of the day. I'm starting to scream like her. Dutch word of the day. Down below on the screen, you will find the shout out to the previous comment featuring the Dutch word of the day. Thank you so much for commenting. As for today's Dutch word of the day, I wanted to stay in theme with like this week. So today's Dutch word of the day is for pumpkin. Pompoen. Pom. Poon. Hey you guys, do you see that orange on my jacket? That is the color of a pompoen. If you want to get featured in tomorrow's Halloween video, all you have to do is comment the Dutch word of the day down below or leave a video response on Instagram under the hashtag Dutch word of the day or Halloween. And who knows, you might see your comment or your face pop up in tomorrow's Halloween video. I hope you guys enjoyed this so much. I cannot even tell you how much fun I had with this one. Yeah, that's all for me today. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Happy Halloween!